Meet these premium copper rods with their warm metallic glow and smooth polished surface. Perfect for welding projects, jewelry making, and electrical work. They combine flexibility with professional strength. Create flawless connections or craft stunning designs with ease, thanks to their excellent conductivity and clean finish. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to explore pricing and delivery options. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart tool discoveries and DIY inspirations. Key features: length 500 millimeters, multiple diameters from 0.8 to 18 millimeters, pure copper material, round stick shape,